Do this.
Hey,
Boom.
hey,
Shit,
look.
no more, dog.
You got your phone texting me.
Yeah. I'm gonna tell you this here. That shit dog.
I'm gonna look at this shit tonight. Will it be loaded up tonight?
Boy, I don't go to bed.
But what about when you lying about a race that's set up? What is that?
I might, hey, look.
What if we could prove this a goddamn lie you telling? You gonna say you apologize?
Lie, nigga. You like that?
What if we can prove?
You
What
like
if we
this?
can prove you lied?
Fuck, boy. Fuck, boy.
Hey, man, no, you that.
What is he fucking time?
Hey man, I hope don't nobody believe you. Shit.
Fucking time. They said, what is blood money?
That's some set up shit.
Oh, okay.
That's motherfucking money.
Okay. Okay.
Every race he loses.
You know, fucking time got blood on his money.
Come on, man. Come on. And it took them 2 hours to race. They back there plot. You know what I'm saying?
That motherfucker say they back there plotting.
If James moved first, I win. So I got that straight. So that's come with something.
But yet he was still betting though, y'all. All that shit he said he knew.
I asked that nigga
He
about
was
10
still
times.
betting.
I asked him about 10 times. I said, Tyrone, we on this bet, right? I said, say, you know if James move, vote me.
Yeah,
you
I heard
know,
you say I'm gonna be on
hey,
YouTube.
I said, I don't want to be on YouTube. That's what I told him. Look I told him. Hey, you sure know. Man, shit. On my mama, that nigga ain't gonna knock me out. On my mama. Hey, on my mama, nigga. Hey, on my mama. Hey, look out. Yeah. He ain't gonna knock me out. Yeah. On my mama. Hey, look out. Yeah. On my mama. That nigga ain't gonna knock me out. Oh, hey, I'm gonna be on YouTube. He thinks so.
Yeah. He gonna be on you. Yeah.
Hey, hold on.
I said on my mama.
I bet you won't knock this stick off.
That's what we in school. That's what we in school.
Every time he get his blood money. I said every time he see. What that shit?
I know these people can't be. Anybody that knows James Harden knows better than that shit.
Yeah.
Fuck all that bullshit.
Yeah.
Say, man, don't lie, man. Every time this look, he's still
Look,
over
he
there.
still going.
He gonna say it's a
Every
setup
time,
now.
just tell the truth, man. Hey, man. Every time this motherfucker loses, do he think some shit fixed or not, man?
No, do you think Big will set up a race?
He
It's a
done heard
fucking
it all.
question.
He got it set up.
You goddamn right. Well, he just lying. Shit.
Well, you said you left on shit. It make you look
Yeah. And see, it was Big told me today. He said,
they swore me down. I red lighted, goddamn it.
Big told me when he hit that button on that bitch, he said, shit, that motherfucker getting a raise. I know how that fucking shit.
Roll, you know what's rolling on that motherfucking road? That anthrax, goddamn. He got a dose of that anthrax, low.
They said-
Hey, that's what wrong with him. He don't tell him about that motherfucking shit, man.
You put all, you put all,
about that,
nah,
man.
you put all yours out too much. You talk, you tell,
Hey,
you talk too much about yours.
man,
You supposed to keep them in the blind,
James got
brother.
all-wheel drive. That bullshit he got. James got all-wheel drive. He on street.
All you supposed to do is keep getting them bags.
He got to try to ease down and hit that shit.
Low.
That's him.
Hey, what was you doing in my truck when you rolled in that bitch today?
Man, probably who's better at the track. Hey, man.
He like getting fuck, boy.
Hey, man, he lying on somebody that didn't set up no race. That's what the fuck he doing.
Say, man, look. He got paid.
Hey, they said blood money don't last forever.
Yeah, that's what I want to hear.
But y'all gotta give him what Pig gave him.
Lock the money up.
In what kind of car? Show us
It's a family car.
But it's
Photo
1,000
sedan.
kind of sedan. Just show us a picture of that motherfucker. Cause it's hard to race a UFO, Troy. God damn, bro.
I drove it to the track.
Well, show it to us. Shit.
Give me $20.
What's wrong with you?
Slam.
Troy, do you currently use Nike?
Give me $20. I'm gonna give me something.
No, I'm talking
Hell
about
no, baby. He probably got it.
Yeah, he got a photo.
He could have you. You know he's You may not get a race car, but you can put it on in my
Girl name ain't come.
Huh, my ass. See, you sounded like Tyrone now. Shit, you're lying. Shit. See what I'm talking about? You see what I'm talking about?
Tell your mom, say
That's what I'm saying. Give him $5, let him tell him and Johnny.
I'm gonna give that nigga 15. I ain't gonna fuck him, though. Hey, I'm gonna give him 15. I want him.
That's somebody
Talking
else's
about family car. Boy, I
That's
swear,
a customer
man.
car, man. I was lying. Hold on, I'll take it back. Let me find it.
Oh yeah, dude, we got the freaking HID lights on this thing, yeah. John Deere with the extra super scrapers on the back. Oh yeah, we're gonna get this track freaking scrubbed and scraped all the way down the track with freaking hot glue, man. Yeah, the glue that my buddy made back when we were in college. Oh yeah, dude, freaking works. Freaking peel your shoe off your sole.
Hey man, I'm gonna show y'all real fuck boy. All us standing right here, and I ain't never seen none of y'all do this
Here it is.
with y'all money like that.
Hey, here it is.
The reason he do that, that's what I'm talking about. Look what car, he got an SA like CC with
Yeah, yeah.
and then talking about his family car like he got some slow ass tomato boat.
It is.
Man, I don't want to hear that shit. I'm gonna whoop that motherfucker in my truck though. I'll race that motherfucker in my truck.
You gonna lock it in?
Man, when I get my truck running, Troy, don't always say that, man. Come on, my ass, nigga. You always talking that bullshit.
Tyrone.
He like
I'm not
See Tyrone?
say, man.
fuck, boy.
I'm gonna set it up. It's gonna be set up and I whoop his ass anyway, so it don't matter.
So lock it in.
Troy,
Man,
Lock it in.
I gotta get my truck going, bro.
You
God
got it.
damn.
What you mean?
Shit.
Nah, I gotta get
get
going.
it going, man.
Y'all give him 10 and like it. That is
Hold on. Yeah, I'm
that ain't enough.
that motherfucker going. That motherfucker going.
You want your change?
Hey,
Once he get it running,
You want
we
your
need to
change?
read- Hey, Troy, once he get it going, we need an instant rebate back.
Yeah,
This
instant
money he got no
rebate.
key.
Yes,
Shit.
boy, I'm telling you, man. Yeah, but he in California. I gotta wait till he get back. Shit.
You coming
He
back?
gonna get it did. And when he do, and I ain't like y'all.
Oh man.